The birth of the typewriter.
Typewriters first appeared in the late 19th century, transforming how documents were created. Before their invention, all office correspondence was handwritten, limiting legibility and speed. The introduction of typewriters brought a reliable and standardized way to produce business materials, giving rise to new professional roles and setting the stage for rapid changes in workplace productivity.
Standardizing business communication.
With typewriters, offices could produce documents that were clean, uniform, and easy to read. Standardization of memos, letters, and forms reduced errors and misunderstandings. This consistency allowed businesses to communicate more clearly, both internally and externally, laying the groundwork for more efficient and professional operations.
Boosting speed and output.
Typewriters dramatically increased the speed of document production. Trained typists could generate pages much faster than handwritten text. This leap in efficiency enabled businesses to handle higher volumes of work and respond quickly to demands, greatly enhancing overall office productivity compared to earlier manual methods.
Empowering a new workforce.
Typewriters opened the door for new job opportunities, especially for women, who became a significant part of the clerical workforce. Offices grew rapidly, as secretaries and typists became essential for daily operations. This shift not only changed the makeup of workplaces, but also contributed to broader social and economic changes.
Lasting impact on office technology.
Typewriters formed the blueprint for later office machines such as word processors and computers. Their influence is seen in today's keyboards and digital document formats. By revolutionizing efficiency and communication, the typewriter laid the foundation for modern offices and set a standard for workplace productivity that continues to this day.